Long nails are not only long nails. It's something difficult to create, but something wonderful to know how to create this. And our training with the nail forms, you will learn short, different salon shapes, and you will learn different long nail forms. I will show you how to make pipe square, how to make stiletto, Gothic almond, Russian almond. We will work with paper nail forms, and I will show you how to create the perfect long and short form with a gel and with acrylic, or with the polygel, depends on you, which product you always use in your salon. So I will show you the file technique for this. Let us make together perfect nail. I'm sure you will be excited to create this and we do it together.